Hey, what's up, the Vechain network? This is the latest update, latest price prediction, and latest technical analysis. Let's get started this brand video. Kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So let's see, my brother. First of all, the update of Vechain to what's going on. And this time, brother, the all update of Vechain is on the screen. You can see here. First of all, the price is 0.14 USD dollar, and BTC you can see here 0.004 USD dollar, and the rank of crypto market is 18, my brother. You can see here the cap market cap, as you can see here, 9 billion, and 24-hour is now 2.2 billion, and you can see the circulating supply is, my brother, 65 million billion, and you can see the max supply is 86 billion, and distribution, as you can see, 75.24% fails down. And the main thing, my friends, you can see here this time the change occur in the price. You can see here 1 hour change occur will be positive, last 1 day change occur will be positive, and last 7 days change occur will be positive. So it's mean to this coin is completely in the profit, and Vechain will make you a millionaire if you are hold, my brother, and if you are invested in Vechain, my brother. You can see the last 7 day chart is on the screen, and after that, my friend, after this prediction, absolutely you understand to upcoming time they're moving upward or not. So let's really get this coin, my brother. Every cryptocurrencies after a very bad falls take a very huge jump, and they completely go in the moon now. So like that, as you can see, my brother, Vechain has completely fails down from last month, my brother. You can see here, especially May 29 and May 28. You can see here they completely fails down, especially not just unique May 28, my friend, May 27, May 26, and May 25. All every day, my friends, Vechain will fails down, but absolutely after a very long time, as you can see here, my brother, Vechain is starting moving upward now, and they, you can see here the direction is completely going the moon now. So I think Vechain will make you millionaire. If you need to any advice, my brother, this is my advice, my brother. This is advice video. Kindly hold it, don't sell it. Absolutely, my friend, this will be good time, my brother, for Vechain holders. So you need to hold, don't sell it. And if you have any plan to invest more, absolutely Vechain is very good option for you, because the price is also very cheap, and if you buy it in this time, exactly, I hope they will jump now in upcoming time 2x to 5x. So absolutely, if they give you 2x to 5x, then they will make you millionaire. Thanks for watching Vechain holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.